I created this entire cinematic ad without using a camera, without actors, and without shooting a single scene. Everything you're about to see was generated using AI. A delivery driver acting suspicious, a security guard stopping him. Tension builds, and then a twist you don't expect. Let me show you the final result first.
All right, you're clear to proceed to the main gate. Have that manifest ready for inspection. Good morning, you're all set. Thanks, have a good day.
Now here's the real question. How do you actually create something like this from scratch? Workflow overview before jumping into tools. Let's quickly understand the process. We're going to generate cinematic images, turn them into videos, connect scenes together, enhance quality, and build a complete ad. Simple steps, but when combined, extremely powerful. Set up Filmora. First, go to the Filmora website and download the latest version. You can download Filmora from the link in the description. Once installed, open Filmora and click on Create Project. You'll land inside the workspace. From here, go to Stock Media, AI Media. This is where everything begins. Create first scene. Let's build our opening shot. Click on AI Image now instead of writing random prompts. We'll use ChatGPT to generate detailed cinematic prompts. For example, create a prompt like a delivery van entering a modern city street, early morning, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic 4K. Copy that prompt, paste it into Filmora, set resolution to 4K, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get a professional cinematic shot. Build story scenes. Now we continue building our story. Go back to ChatGPT and generate more scenes, like a nervous driver inside the van, a security guard stopping the vehicle A, close-up interaction moment. Each time, copy arrow, paste arrow, generate to keep everything consistent. Use the image reference feature. Upload your first image as a reference so lighting, character, and style stay the same. Now you're not just generating images, you're building a story. Add story depth. Next, we add key narrative moments. Generate scenes like guard looking suspicious, driver reacting nervously, a hidden product inside the van. This is where tension builds. Instead of random visuals, you're creating a sequence that keeps viewers watching. Image to video. Now let's bring everything to life. Go to Image to Video, upload your generated image. In the prompt box, describe motion. The van is slowly moving and stopping naturally. Realistic motion. Adjust settings for high quality and click Generate. Your static image is now a moving cinematic shot. Cinematic transitions. Now we connect scenes like a real film. Use start frame and end frame upload. First frame, driver inside van. Second frame, guard at window. Then describe, the guard approaches the van, knocks, and the driver rolls down the window. Filmora will generate a smooth transition between both scenes. This is where your video starts feeling real. Build the twist. Now comes the most important part, the twist. Generate a product shot inside the van and a reaction from the guard. Then create a final scene where both characters are relaxed and enjoying the product. This emotional shift is what makes the video memorable. Edit and enhance. Drag all your clips into the timeline. Now, refine your video. Trim clips for better pacing, add transitions for energy. Apply color grading for cinematic feel. Then go to AI Video Enhancer, enable it, and upscale your footage. You'll instantly see sharper details and higher quality visuals. Final export. Once everything is ready, click Export. Choose your resolution, 1080p or 4K, and render your final video. And that's it. From a simple idea to a complete cinematic ad, all built using AI. If you want to try this workflow yourself, you can download Filmora from the link in the description and start creating your own videos. Because once you understand this process, you're not just editing videos anymore. You're creating stories,